today I'm with my little riding partner who's currently on her phone, and we're going to go get our nails done. So we have an appointment. We're a couple minutes late, so hopefully they don't open until 10, so hopefully that's okay. Not too far away from it. So yeah, we're about to go get our manicures and pedicures. And then we're gonna meet up with the guys for lunch. I don't know what they're doing. They're probably playing the games or something. Yeah, she's super excited about going to get her nails done. She said she wanted to get some Christmas designs, so we'll see what they can do for that. And I think I might get a little bit of color, but not anything too crazy, because I'll have to I'll need to be able to conceal it when I go back to work.
It's
or
10:01.
I might just get them redone.
We're not
I don't know. I don't like a whole lot of color anyway on my nails, so I know it's right there. Anyway, yeah, we'll be back once we get in and get started with our little beauty date.
I'm gonna get like a glittery one, but not like that glittery.
What color?
Glittery white, but not that glittery. So like about this or this.
You said you want a shimmery color.
Yeah.
This one.
Okay. Yeah. This is good.
Okay. You gotta remember the number.
Okay.
It took a long time, so that's what she was doing, because she said, she did tell me.
Good.
You're almost done. It's almost. I'm nothing too exciting but cute. Ma's about to get her sticker on. So we are done at the nail shop. Done at the nail shop, and we're with the guys who had their own little shopping trip.
Man, you got that thing up my nose.
Is it on? Cinematic. And then Mariah got her nails finished.
Thank you.
Huh? Let me see your nails, the finished product. She got a little Christmas tree, and then I got just a little red tip. It got cut down a lot, so they're like super duper short right now. We're at 54th Street.
Yep.
Yeah, 54th Street. We get some grub, and then we're gonna go home. We're gonna finish packing. We gotta take dates tonight. Sadly.
Daisy going to the hotel.
Yeah, Daisy going to the pet hotel, so I'm sure she'll have a good time. She gets to interact with some other dogs, so that'll be good for her. Jay's over there.
Why do you look like that?
I don't know. They both playing on their phones. Yeah,
No, it's on camera, don't worry about
I was starving.
Slobbing on yourself.
Evan said he was hungry too, so yeah, I'm ready to eat. I kind of want to take a nap, but then I don't want to be up late tonight because we gotta get up early tomorrow, right? Did you check in?
Yeah.
What group are we?
BLACKLOVE.
Oh, thank goodness.
What's up?
I thought we was gonna be like way late. Good, how are you?
Yes.
That's okay. Yep. Thank you.
And then I have the black and red bag.
Right here.
Thank you.
And then the
Ooh, that look good.
Right here.
Okay. The rest is on its way right now, but for now, is there anything I can do for you?
No, ma'am. I think
Okay.
that's it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, I got me some shrimp and some scallops. And we got this big old steak that he's gonna have to share with his wife. Mo got buttered noodles and chicken. Why you always laugh when you say buttered noodles? And Jay got a steak too, but his has not gotten here yet.
That's like the wildest thing to pay for.
Oh, buttered noodles?
It's buttered noodles.
Why?
It's noodles. But it's
Look at this man's plate. Give me a fry too. What? Pushing me. Pushing me. Anyway, that's a little good. Alright, hey everyone. As you can see, we've made it home. It is around 6 o'clock and we have to take Daisy to the pet hotel. Her check-in is at 7. So before we do that, I'm just making a little quick dinner. I really only had to cook the sides, which I decided to cook cabbage. Yes, ma'am. What? Seriously? Let me see. Well, if you find it, I could probably put it back on. I got some gel nail polish. Let me see. Well, I mean, they're still super cute. You got the other one? Oh, that one probably wasn't on there all the way. Yeah, well, it's too late to go back now. Because I'm sure they were getting crowded when we were leaving. So I'm not hardly going back there right now. But yeah, so I just cleaned the kitchen up a little bit. So I'm gonna make sure that's done before we leave. I'm going to probably straighten up the living room because last night they opened their gifts, so things are a little, you know, it's not that bad. Not terrible. There's Daisy. I feel like Daisy has been hiding.
I thought the set came with already the screws.
Me too. I feel like Daisy has been hiding. Here, take these to your room. Well, you can wear these tomorrow.
I want to wear the ones with the gems.
Oh, okay. So you don't want to take these?
I do, but
We'll put them in the suitcase. It's gonna be messy though. It's gonna be snowy. I don't know. That might be a risk. Oh, here, take these boots upstairs. Are you taking these? The black boots?
Sure.
Oh, here. Don't go upstairs. Come get them. So yeah, just trying to make sure that the house is clean when we leave. Yeah, might as well. And throw the box away. Evan was packing his stuff because he waited till the last minute. There he is. It's like he just knew I was talking trash. He waited till the last minute to want to pack. Nah, he's in there like ironing all his stuff. I didn't do all that. Because I honestly don't have a whole lot of clothes that I have to iron.
We have to wake up, or we have to get up at 12.
No, I don't have a lot of clothes. I said I don't have a lot of clothes that I need to iron.
Mom,
And I still don't have as many clothes as you.
Mom, do you remember whenever we have to wake up at 12 o'clock at night? Or have to wait at 12 o'clock at night? I was on my iPad the whole time.
For what? When we left? Where was we going?
We're going to Florida, I think.
Oh. Mariah finishing up her little sock advent calendar. I don't really record this because we was doing we're doing the wine advent calendar. We got sock advent calendars. Daisy got an advent calendar. So no need to record everybody opening their stuff. But yeah. So I'm trying to bait. I'll probably eat after we get back from dropping her off. And then really that's what I want to. I still, as y'all can see, I have not put my hair in the pipe cleaners yet. So I'm debating if I even want to do it. If I do, I won't take them out until Christmas probably. Or if we go out somewhere, then I'll take them out. I don't know. I don't even know if it's really worth it now because this is going to take forever. So I did take a little nap today. So I might be up. If I'm up late enough, then I'll just go ahead and do it. If I go to sleep, if I go to bed, then it just won't be happening. And I'll either do some bantu knots or something. I don't know. Because I kind of want a little curl for Christmas. I always wear my hair straight. Well, normally I put in a braid out, but I don't know. I got this really little baby cabbage because I didn't want to have a whole bunch of stuff left over while we were gone. So this is probably just enough for all of us to eat. Mariah had a sausage dog, so I don't even know if she's gonna want to eat dinner. But Jay loves cabbage, so cabbage and white rice is his go-to. Oh yeah. We will probably be back when we get ready to take Miss Daisy. I feel like she kind of knows. I don't even know if I finished my statement, but yeah, I feel like she's been kind of missing all day. She just been hiding. It's like she kind of knows whenever she sees the suitcases come out, Daisy gets ghosting. Anyway, we'll be back. Say hi.
What's up?
What's wrong with you?
None.
All right. Oh, boy, we made it. It is freezing out there. It's so freaking cold. We're at PetSmart. Daisy should be coming around the corner soon. There she is. Hey, Mama. So we're checking in at the pet hotel. Yep, I got it.
Press button.
At the pet hotel. Oh, look, Daisy, they got a fireplace. Oh, let's look at that.
Come here.
I got little play areas. This is a PetSmart Pet Hotel. Huh? You did what? Oh, really? Hello.
Checking in.
Checking in for Daisy Dixon. Miss Daisy.
And Daisy will be staying with us until Tuesday the 27th.
Yes, ma'am.
Pickup time for that day is still going to be at around 11 a.m.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, and then for the vaccine?
Yes, ma'am.
Should be the first day. Yeah.
Okay.
And then I have her as a group dog in a regular room, and then she has a salon appointment.
Yes.
Is it just for a bath and a brush, or is she getting a haircut as well?
No haircut.
Okay. Any medication or health concerns that we should know about for Daisy?
No, ma'am.
Any aggression towards people or other pets that you have ever noticed?
No, ma'am.
Any specific behaviors or requirements that we should know about? Hey, I'm calling from the hotel. Can I get a hawk for a bath and a brush, please? Yeah, thank you.
And I have her vitamins in the bag.
Okay,
That
so
she
she
takes.
has, okay, can I see them real quick?
Okay.
For those, okay, so unfortunately I won't be able to give those to her while she's here. They do have to be in the original container.
Oh.
So in the future, if you want to board her with us, any medication, vitamins, supplements, or like anything like that, would just have to be in its original container.
Okay.
So you can leave it in her bag.
Same for the food.
No, not for food. Yeah, just for like medication. So I'm sorry. And then for the grooming, they will just need to see her. They're a little busy right now, so they don't have anybody that they can send here. So once we're done with this paperwork, if you can just go over there so they can go over y'all's reservation, make sure that everything that they'll be doing is correct. And then you can bring her back, and I'll take her back.
Okay.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna this one fast. I did just need a couple of signatures from me, and then I should be able to fill this out.
Good morning, and welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here.
I broke my nail.
Yay. We are currently in the airport.
In Austin.
Yep.
And I broke my nail.
It was a very early morning.
And very rough morning.
It was tough.
If you had hands. And you like me.
And not, oh well. Yeah, it's a very early, rough morning. But we made it. So we're at our gate.
I got your ID right.
Yes. We're at our gate. Kids are eating. Looking real happy this morning. Yeah, we had to wake up super early. I did the pipe cleaner curls at like midnight last night. And I let them stay in until now, which is like 9 something. So I know they're not gonna they look a little tight right now, but they'll fall eventually. And then hopefully it gives me the look I'm going for. I don't know. But anyway, we have like a 2-hour flight to Chicago. Yeah, it's 2 hours, right? 2 hours? 2-hour flight?
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah, a 2-hour flight to Chicago. It's cold. It's like 14 degrees here. It was 16 degrees here. And then it's 16 degrees there, but that's the high for the day. So we'll be inside. At least I'll be inside. I don't know what he plan on doing, but I'm gonna be inside.
I'm supposed to land 12:30, so I'll put it.
So 2 hours and a half. Go ahead. Eat what you gonna eat, and then I'll eat the rest. Mariah and I were supposed to be sharing a muffin. Mariah has currently eaten almost the whole top of the muffin. Okay, I'll have the bottom. The one that has no nuts on it, but
No nuts?
yeah, it doesn't have any nuts on it. It's fine. No. Just eat it the way you eating it.
There's some
It's
potatoes
fine.
in there too.
Yeah, so we'll be back once we get boarded and things. We still got about like 25 minutes, I think, before we board. So yeah, I'm about to eat. I think he about to eat. And we'll be back. We made it onto the plane. I'm sitting with the kiddos. Dad is over here. I don't know who his little rider or his travel buddy's gonna be, but they said it's a full flight, so yeah. Kind of ready to get the traveling part over with. And it hasn't even been that long. It just seems like it's been a long time.
It is.
Huh?
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This flight going into Chicago.
Hasn't been.
It's going to be a full flight, ladies and gentlemen, and we do anticipate every seat to be occupied, so please reserve those overhead compartments for your very, very large items. If you have an outer garment, coat, sweater, jacket, anything of that nature, please place that item on top of your bag or hold it on your lap until we have all bags placed. Again, we would like to accommodate all with their carry-ons, please. Large bags up top, smaller bags underneath.
Okay.
Also,
I'm gonna
it's
get off
open
of here.
seating here at Southwest, so
We'll be back
once you
once
do
we-
find that seat, if you kindly
While
step
we
from the
either
aisle, let
in the
others
air
pass by.
or
We greatly appreciate
we
it.
land. I don't
Good
know
morning
yet.
and welcome aboard.
The sun is actually really bright. Oh, is that a school? Is that a school? I think I see a store all the way back there. See that red sign? I think that's the store.
You're so funny.
Ooh. Why? Oh gosh. Okay, I'll hold it. I'm closer. I'm closer.
I'll be on top of you in a second.
Oh.
We made it to our destination.
In the shop.
Yeah. So now we have to get some food because we hungry. Like we had some little tacos, some little potato and egg tacos. They ain't do nothing. I only had one. And then I had the bottom half of a muffin after Mariah. Yeah. But now we're about to go downstairs and hang with the family. So, oh, look. There.
I told you they got a dog. I'll tell you again that they got a dog.
Yeah, we're about to go downstairs.
Merry Christmas from Pinky.
And we'll be back a little later. Maybe we'll be back. I don't know. If we don't come back, huh? If we don't come back, hope y'all have a great day. Have a happy holiday. And we'll catch y'all later.
Well, zippity doo dah. We are off to the store in Chicago. It is below zero. Terrible. Ma, you ready? Venturing out into the cold of the shy. You got all the house shoes, Ma?
Mm-hmm. Lock the door, Mom.
Say that on camera, because people gonna think that you serious.
I'm serious.
All right, if y'all see us on Judge Judy, y'all remember this.
So anyway,
I'm legally blind. I
so
cannot
he's gonna
see.
call tomorrow. He's gonna call right now to get his return flight changed.
Made to the liquor
So
store.
I told him I'll be
Because
really
what is Christmas without liquor?
excited and happy to see him. So
Okay,
And
he'll do it.
it is cold.
After y'all tell him that,
yeah, he sounds sad. He sounds down.
It says it's 14 degrees, but it's not.
You know, he sounds really sad. It is 14 degrees.
It's definitely not 14 degrees.
It is
More like 2 degrees.
It ain't no 2.
It's like 2 degrees.
You
terrible.
explain to him that
And
he'll
I
be
keep
okay.
getting left outside of
Yeah, I told
people's
him. I said,
homes.
nah, everybody's where they're gonna be.
Because my aunt
So
didn't wanna
this is the
open it up.
best time to, this boy over here blogging and doing some crap. I don't understand.
Oh, we're blogging or doing some crap.
What are they, Laretha?
It's my craft, man.
Generation, what are they?
It's our craft, right, Neve?
Eggos,
It's our craft.
Z? Are they Z?
Oh, there, Neve back there.
ZBs, ABs.
ABs, CDs, CD socks.
Generation can't get right. How
I
about
love
that?
my mom. I'm so glad I came home to see her. And she loved me sometimes too. She even made me a 7-Up cake.
With all of them, huh?
That ain't no 7-Up cake. That's a Sprite cake. Your auntie makes Sprite cakes, and she tell everybody 7.
I think we had one.
So you did order it correctly.
Nah. I did.
Just see the top of my head.
with Neve, getting our rib tips. So
Yeah.
we still on our meat kick.
Yeah, we are.
And then mama out there. I want to be on camera. Look at her.
That's what I'm gonna tell you.
Try to chase me, but here's my number. So call me, baby.
Ooh, child.
Merry Christmas.
Oh yeah, my bad. Hey, Merry Christmas, everybody. We are currently still in Chicago. We got cinnamon rolls. We got. She didn't use the icing that it come with. Oh, I'm about to tear that up.
The icing?
Yeah. Why can't I have the icing? I'm currently about to make tequila sunrises. We were supposed to make mimosas. I mean, we don't drink that much. And then in the oven, my mom got corn chims in there. My uncle got ham downstairs, dressing in there. Neva's making the sweet potatoes. What else is it? My mom's about to make the lasagna, which is, oh my God. Last night we ordered donuts.
Turkey breast.
The donuts got delivered to the wrong house, so we never gonna see these donuts.
I was actually very sad about it.
Yeah.
Then we didn't get the cheese platter.
We didn't get the cheese platter. Yikes.
Hilarious.
As always, like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day. Merry Christmas. Subject.
And then was out there. Remember the time that you